Hello everyone, mabuhay. I am Jim Alexis Hilado, BSHM1, Section 1. Let's talk about the 12 types of accommodation. Number 1, hotel. Hotel accommodation refer to the rooms and facilities provided by a hotel for guests to stay in temporary. This can include private rooms, common areas, and service like cleaning, dining, and concierge assistance. Number 2, resort. Resort, a vacation complex in scenic location combining lodging within a large resort complex that provides a wide range of visitation, dining, and entertainment service often in a single location designed for relaxation and vacation experiences. Number 3, apart hotel. An apart hotel is a hybrid accommodation offering the privacy and self-catering amenities of an apartment such a kitchen and living area combined with service and facilities of hotel like daily housekeeping and reception. Number 4, bed breakfast. A breakfast is smaller, often family run, established that includes private rooms and breakfast as part of the stay. Number 5, homestays. A homestay accommodation is a lodging experience where travelers stay in a local residence home, offering a genuine cultural experience and a chance to live with a host family. Number 6, motels. A roadside lodging designed for motorists, typically featuring direct access to rooms from the parking of lot. Number 7, vacation. Vacation rental, a whole home, apartment, or cottage that can be rented for a short period, providing more privacy and space. Number 8, service. Service apartment, a fully furnished shed apartment with hotel-like services designed for longer stays and often featuring a full kitchen. Number 9, boutique hotel, a smaller, unique, and stylish hotel that focus on distinctive design and often has high-end, fashionable feel. Number 10, airport hotel. A hotel situated near an airport catering to passengers with layovers. Number 11, lodge. Lodge are rustic and often remote accommodation typically found in natural settings and popular for outdoor activities like hiking or skiing. Number 12, camping. Camping ground, an outdoor area where people can stay in tents, caravans, or camper van.